Welcome to the series of Oracle Fusion General Ledger demonstration. In this video we would see how to create manual journal entry. Manual journal are required for every business for multiple business case, such as adjustment rectification and month-end provision. Let's assume that you want to create a month-end provision. Create a provision journal in the month of March for doubtful debt and utilities expenses, equal to the amount of $20,000 and $3,000. Let's see how this journal are recorded in Oracle Fusion General Ledger application. On the home page, click on General Accounting. Select the journal in the task list. Select the Create Journal task. The Create Journal task has been divided into three sections: into Journal Batch, Journal, and Journal Lines. Let's see how this three sections are filled. To create a manual journal entry for the required case, you need to create a March Provision Journal. So, let's create the batch and give the name, Provision for March. Both descriptive information can be entered in the description field for this particular batch. Select the accounting period in which journal has to be created. Once this information has been completed, move to the second section called Journal. Enter the journal name, enter the description, and select the ledger in which the journal has to create. Enter the accounting date on which journal has to be posted. Select the category of the journal. Once this information has been entered, click on the journal line. Enter the appropriate debit and credit account. In case user want to enter more information about the line, the description column can be used for the same. Once description has been entered, click on the Save. It shows that under the batch provision for March, one journal has been created. Let's add one more journal for provision for utilities. Enter the description, ledger name, accounting date, category. Once the information has been entered, enter the respective debit and the credit account. Once information has been entered, click on Save. Now you can see that under the batch provision for March, we have two journal: provision for utilities and provision for doubtful debts. Basically, the journal batch is a grouping of multiple journals. Similarly, under the provision for utilities, we have multiple lines created. In case the user want to see what is the projected balance of this particular account, after this journal have been posted, the user can click, select the line and then refresh the projected balance section. Once you click on refresh, the application shows that what is the current period activity with a $6,200 in a credit balance and then additional new journal which you are trying to create equal to an amount of $3,000. Closing amount come to $9,200. That give the flexibility to identify the projected balance on the account. Additionally, more information can be seen once you click on Show More option. The Control Total tab allows you to capture a control total for the journal entered in this particular batch. For an example, the journal batch that you have created that consists of 10 different journal, and total of this journal comes out to suppose $35,000. Now, you can put an amount saying that the total of all the journal should come to $35,000. In case once you tries to complete the journal, there is a variance in the control total and the amount that you have actually created through journals, the system will throw a warning message. Let's see if put a control total of 3,500. Let's try to save this. System has immediately given is a control total violation. Now this particular message is just a kind of warning. It will not restrict you to post the journal. It is just an information for the user that initially he planned to post a batch with total of 3,500. It is just an information for the user that initially he planned to post a batch with total of 3,500. Well, the batch that he is trying to post consists of just value of $3,000. Would he like to continue further or not? Accordingly, the user can take action and move further. The next tab, Action Log, tells you the events that has taken place with this particular journal. It includes when it was created by, it was updated by, forwarded for approval and when it was approved. So all the action and all the event related to this particular journal batch will be seen from this Action Log tab. This can be inquired once the journal has been posted. You can inquire by this particular Action Log tab. Similarly, if we move to the next season called Journals, there is again Show More option similar to Journal Batch. We also have Control Total at the journal level. This control total governs the total of the journal lines entered on this particular journal. Similar kind of warning message will be thrown in case the total of journal line does not match with the journal total. Next step is regarding the sequencing. Every channel creates a unique reporting sequence once the journal has been posted. So, the unique number will be shown in this particular tab once the journal has been posted. The next tab is the Reversal tab. This Reversal tab helps you to plan your journal reversal in advance. So basically, if you want that this particular journal has to be reversed in the next month, you can just select the April 16 and save the journal. Once you reach the month April 16, and you run the program called Auto Reverse, this journal would be automatically reversed. So there is not be any need to user to remember. System will take care of reverses of this journal based on the information entered over here. So, once information are verified, the user can mark the batch as complete. Marking the batch as complete shows that there are no more journal that need to be added in this particular batch. So once it has been completed, the user can click on Post and the journal has been posted. In order to inquire the same journal batch, user can navigate to Manage Journal Task under the task list of journal. Search the batch name and you can see that there are two journal which has been created with the batch in the month of April and the status of those journal are posted. So this is how we create journal in the Oracle Fusion General Ledger application. Thank you very much for watching this video.